Welcome to Kris's Corner. This is Kris with Craft Closet. Today we are talking about folding gift boxes. We are going to use this website, templatemaker.nl. It's a great box template maker. It is free to use, but they also accept donations. To start, we'll use the gift box tab. Then we will fill in the measurements that we want the box to be. I'm going to choose inches and make this example box 3 inches by 3 inches by 1.5 inch. I'm going to leave all these other things the same as they are, and then we will save it as an SVG. And let's go to the COLORflex dashboard and download the file. We are going to cut this first box out of our Golden Ara Hollow COLORflex. Then I'm going to choose medium natural leather and change the lines to score and cut. Once everything is cut, we will remove the masking and then fold all of the score lines. Now I will glue it. This time I will use super glue. Now we are going to make another box. I'm going to change the dimensions just a bit and also add an engrave. Then I'm going to engrave, score the fold lines, and cut, just like I did last time. Once it is all cut, I'll fold it on the lines. This time I'm going to fold it outward so that the engrave shows. You can also turn it over and engrave the other side when it's in the laser bed if you want. And then I'm going to use super glue again to hold all of this together. Then I'm going to fill the box with tissue paper and add my special gift. And that's all there is to it. Join us next time for more tips on Kris's Corner.